In this screencast, I'm going to help you with the Serving Up Some Politics. Your goal is to create a table in Microsoft Word with a reflection, and the table will highlight differences on the Democrat and Republican parties, or if you want, since it is an election year, you can make it more specific to Biden versus Trump. All right, so I'm going to start a blank document in Microsoft Word. And then do a heading. All right, I'm going to center align that, and I can just make this bigger and use a larger font just so it stands out. So I've got a nice heading. Then I'm going to insert a table, insert table, and I'm going to make that 3 columns by 10 rows. And then I'm going to do some headers. And now I do want some pictures. You can use the donkey, which is the traditional symbol for the Democrat, and the elephant, which is the traditional symbol for the Republican. Or let's just go look for some actual pictures of Trump and Biden. So here we go. Here's some pictures of Donald Trump. Let's try this one. Here we go. And I'm going to copy that image and paste. And when you paste, you can actually paste the picture. Now notice it's really big. I don't want it that big. I'm going to size it by the corner. The other thing that is helpful is to wrap that text as in front or through, which allows you to move it around a little more easily. If you do that, you will have to add some extra space in that cell to fit your picture. Okay, and then I would find a picture of Trump or of Biden as well. And then I want you to research some issues. I gave you some websites, you can use mine or find your own. And so, for example, here's one. And this one, it seemed a little bit anti-Trump biased, but I did find one on taxes here. So it says, for example, that Biden wants to raise the tax rate for the highest income earners, and Trump wants to keep his 2017 tax cuts in place, so no higher taxes there. It doesn't say minimum wage. It says where Biden stands on it. It doesn't say where Trump, but maybe you could find a different website to research that. But all right, so we've got some taxes. There's one issue, so I'm going to type up taxes right here. Biden says he's going to raise tax rates for high income earners. All right, and Donald Trump said wants to keep tax cuts in place, no tax rate increases. So there's a for example. So you find what issues are of interest to you, whether it's social justice issues or abortion. I think it's good for us to look and see what's going on in the world and where you stand on them and where the Democrats and Republicans stand on them. Try to get past some of the hype and really research so that you can be an informed voter someday. Okay, this one I think was a little bit biased, but as I said, there are some other ones that are good as well. Maybe this one seems a little less biased. Anyway, you do your research, make your table. Once you're done with the table and your research, if you want, go ahead and make it pretty. I always enjoy this. Highlight it. Go to the Table Tools Design and give it a table format. All right, last step below, you want to offer a reflection. Which candidate do you agree with most? Or which issues do you stand on one candidate versus the other? Very often, most people will say, well, I agree with this candidate on this issue, but not on this issue. Just tell me what you think. Who would you vote for and why? All right, so give me a few sentences there. Make sure you edit carefully. Hit the review, spelling and grammar to double check it and help you with that editing. And then go ahead and save and submit that to Canvas. Thanks, good luck.